Lowman Rods in Tipp City, Ohio today, and I am excited. I get to test drive one of their amazing 57 Chevy builds. So we're going to get on the road, have some fun. Well, we're at Lowman Rods in Tipp City, Ohio today, and I am excited. I get to test drive one of their amazing 57 Chevy builds. So we're going to get on the road, have some fun. I'm excited. We're in this beautiful 57 Chevy from Lowman Rods. This car is really spectacular. A car that I've seen for a little bit now, but it is a privilege to be able to kind of test drive it, get it out on the road. The car has several really cool features on it. It is a frame-off restoration. Has a 427 real built blueprint engine. It's a small block 427, but when it was off the frame, they did all mini tub underneath. It's got an Art Morrison 4-link in the rear, so it's really all dialed in, but the car sounds real good. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, it stops, it handles, but just one of those cars on a beautiful evening like tonight that you really just want to hop in and put miles on it. Inside, it's super comfortable. It's all suede. Headliner, it's all leather by John Miller. Interiors, he is in Northern Ohio, so just a really nice car. But thanks to the owner, thanks to Lowman Rods for letting us film this car today and really just giving it kind of a road test. And maybe we need to get Kyle, maybe that is the next vehicle. We need to get Kyle a 57 Chevy. I say we, but Kyle needs to get a 57 Chevy. And now, not this nice, because we want something that we could
put in the barn.
Do what?
Put in the barn.
Put in the barn, yeah. So You've seen the 34 Ford in the barn. We want something that we could put in the opposing cylinders barn alongside the 34 Ford, and maybe we find just a killer 57 Chevy with an Art Morrison chassis or something, but all patina, and that we could drive across country, and this could be our road trip car, Kyle.
I like the idea of it.
One of the cars I've always wanted throughout my life was a 57 Chevy. My dad had 5 57 Chevys throughout the years, and I grew up with a 57 Chevy, a Pro Street turquoise 57 Chevy. When I was in junior high school, I remember my father picking me up at junior high in the 57 Chevy. I thought was just the coolest thing in the world. So this is the first time I've been back in one in a long time, quite some time. And my first time probably ever driving a 57 Chevy. This one is also mini tub, so you'll see with the photos or the videos of this car, it has a real nice deep dish wheel on it, but it has been all reworked in mini tub, and that's why, hence the Art Morrison 4-link in the back. Very comfortable inside. I feel like I can see out quite a bit. Of course, it sounds good. It's got that built 427. Can you see the smile on my face? That was fun. Beautiful. What a ride. I mean, on a beautiful, look at the sunset. We're in a 57 Chevy, thanks to Low Man Rods. Great ride. Really, I can't say anything else besides it was a great ride. Hit the like button. Give Low Man Rods a follow at Low Man Rods, MANRODS. We'll tag them below. But thank you for watching today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Low Man Rods. Check out their website as well. We'll put that in the comments below. But thanks for your support. We'll see you on the next video. Today's video is sponsored by Low Man Rods. Give them a call at 937-679-5140 for the latest discounts that they're providing for Classic Instruments gauges. They're giving you 10% off right now for all their Classic Instruments gauges. They're also giving you a discount on Dynamat if you need Dynamat for your current build, or Art Morrison chassis. They're a dealer for all these lines. Currently, they're giving you $1,000 off any Art Morrison chassis. So again, give them a call at 937-679-5140. Check out Low Man Rods. We'll tag their website, Instagram, everything below.